What's up, lazy boys and girls? Sorry, it's been a minute since I posted anything up. So I felt sick today, so I left work and I decided to come here to feel better about myself. And well, I've been going in circles trying to find the best way down to this beach. It's all blocked by neighborhoods and offshore oil property, and I went all the way down and thought I was at the seal sanctuary here in Carpinteria, and there was the lot for the offshore workers to park, and they're like, yo, you can't come in here. And I'm like, fucking Google Maps brings you right here. And they're like, oh, you're not the first one. That happens all the time. And I'm like, well, that kind of sucks, because the seal sanctuary is right there, but you can't go in there. Can't go down and park because it's all for the offshore workers. But I tried to find this park, and now I'm at this train tracks. And there's the oil derricks out there. But this is where I'm at. Shoo! Beautiful. But there's just no access. This is the only access. Whoa. Don't fall. This is the only way to this beach. Shoo! Fucking train come through here quick. It's the Amtrak. These fuckers come hauling and get off the damn tracks. I'm just looking for a spot to hang out, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to get down. Shit. Oh yeah, there's no way. I'm not climbing down this shit. Fuck. No. Don't go anywhere anyway. How did they get down there? Fuck that. Hey, welcome back, lazy boys and girls. Well, just a little explanation. See, I got a new phone. My old phone had an SD card slot. These new Samsungs, they don't have an SD card slot. So I can't download the video from my GoPro copies because they use an SD card. I'm sure if I had a laptop, that wouldn't be so much of an issue. But that's why I haven't been posting any vlogs lately. So this will be my first official selfie vlog on the new camera phone. I got to admit though, the picture is phenomenal. These cameras are amazing. And this one can flip while recording. See? But anyways, so this is where I found a spot to kick it. I'm sitting on a couple logs here felled next to this walking trail here. Like I was trying to get down to the beach, but this is the access, but you gotta hike way down there. Way down this trail, goes way out over there and then down. And not today, not feeling that energetic. So I just moseyed on down the trail a few hundred yards and had a seat here on this log, having me a little break. I really wanted to go to the IMS show today, but it's just financially not feasible for me. I would have ended up spending way too much money, and sad because I'm missing the event of the year where all the damn greatest YouTubers in the motovlogging community are out there. Shout out Shade Tree Surgeon, Shay Lisi, shout out Adam Sandoval. I don't know who else is out there. Oh, Her Two Wheels, shout out. It's one of my favorites. I feel like she could be my sister, seriously. And I don't know who else is planning to be out there. Oh, Blockhead, shout out. Flip, I don't know if he's there. Not too sure who else is out there. But those are the main channels that I know are there in attendance today and tomorrow. Unfortunately, I can't go. It's just too much of an expense at the moment. Got bills to pay, yo, you know. So anyways, I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy the scenery. Front and back, that's what I'm looking at right there. Beautiful ocean views. Yeah, so I need to upgrade some of my systems somehow. I guess I need a better way to download those videos. I need a laptop. I need a charger for my portable charger for my laptop. Then I could bust out my old laptop. See if that bitch will still do me proper. Anyways, get back to you in a moment. Itsy bitsy spider crawling across the log. What is he doing? Hey, lazy boys and girls, back in the garage. That was a cool little run. Bummed I couldn't make it to the IMS show, but I had fun anyways. So anyways, just gonna throw together a little vlog for you guys so that you have something to check out. Not gonna be much, but a little something because I haven't posted in a while. Yeah, a lot of craziness going on in the world. All this Kyle Rittenhouse crap, and you know, It is what it is. What are you gonna do about it? So that's gonna be a wrap. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like, click the subscribe, hit the recliner, and watch this video. Share it with the world. Laters. Deuces.